Yo guys, I just woke up and I had a brilliant idea. I decided to make some tasty spicy rice. So what we have here is rice and we have these mixed vegetables, and I will show you the quickest way to make this rice, and I learned it in the student dorms. This is amazing. This is the fastest way to make rice. This will completely blow your mind. Okay, so check this out. First thing we need to do is we will heat up this pan. This will be like our wok, like it's like a Chinese wok. Okay, now let's open up the rice. And I will use 2 cups of rice. 2 cups of rice for this. Literally. Measure it. Okay, now check out what I'm doing. I'm taking some oil and I'll pour it on the pan. And let it heat up. And I can just start right now with the rice. You will see what I will do. Actually, just 1 cup of rice is good. 1 cup, because we'll add vegetables too. Now I'm mixing rice with oil, and I'm adding the vegetables. We have green peas here, corn, carrots, all the good stuff. So, and I'm just adding all this right now and there. Well, not all of it, like as much as I need. This is good. And I want more beans, so I'm throwing in all these beans. Mix it. On a hot pan. Mix all the rice and vegetables. And I want all this to get really, really hot, because then I will do a surprise trick. Okay, now while all this is getting hot, let's add our spices. I have this Eastern Universal spice with all kinds of grains and spices. So I added all that, garlic salt, and some black pepper. This is black pepper in pieces. It will be nice to crush in your mouth when it's all ready. Okay, let's mix this some more. And I'll add a little bit of just a regular vegetable spice. We've got pieces of vegetables. I don't want to overspice it so it's not too salty in the end. And it's almost ready for the culmination moment. Now the moment of culmination, I'm adding 2 cups of water and I'm shutting the lid. One cup, and now the second cup. Done. Now what this will do is the rice will suck all the water in and expand, and we will have our dish. All we need to do now is keep the lid shut and go with medium heat. Let it simmer. Okay, it's been cooking for like 3 minutes now. Let's see what's going on in there, because it's time to mix this. Wow, the spice, the smells of spice. Yeah, the rice is starting to expand, so I'm shutting the lid and I'll just put it on the low and let it simmer for like 10 minutes. I want all the water to be absorbed by the rice. Okay, so 10 minutes later, let's see what's going on in here. Look at that. Beautiful rice. Yes, sir. If you want something filling, this will definitely fill you up. Look at this food. Healthy, vegetarian, rice and vegetables. And there it is on my plate. This will fill you up. Look at us, all this food, and you can use this as a side dish for your steak or your fish, or just eat it like this on itself. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and enjoy more videos.